since you are already registered for a Canva account, then you are ready to make your first project. If you haven't registered yet, click the link found in the description box below so that you will be guided on how to register. In my previous video on how to register for an account, I mentioned about the Canva for Education. If you are an educator, you may apply for the premium account or the Canva for Education account for free so that you can have an access for more templates and elements which you can use for making your presentations. If you opt to apply for the premium account or the Canva for Education account, go to canva.com/edu-signup/. You can also see the link below and then click apply for an account today. And you will be redirected to this page. Here, you will be informed more of what Canva for Education is. If you want to apply for the Canva for Education, you have to fill this up with the needed information. If you have a adapted email account, you will be granted automatically with the Canva for Education account. Or you may apply using your email with the school domain. Personal emails may also be granted the Canva for Education, but it will take a while. When you apply, they will require you to upload a proof that you are really an educator like your school ID. To check if you have been granted the premium account, you go to your account, you click the gear button here or the account settings, and then click billing and classes. And then under subscriptions, you will see Canva for Education. According to Canva PH, the subscription for Canva for Education is free forever. So let us start something new today. I will guide you on how to do your first Canva project. First, of course, you have to log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you will see this interface. Now, go ahead and click Create a Design. Now, here, you will see a lot of different projects and design that you could choose from. But for this tutorial, we will be using presentation. And then another tab will be opened here. And you will see your blank template. Now on the left side of the screen, here are the tools which we are going to use in making our project. First, let us rename this project or presentation. So I will be renaming this Canva tutorial. Next, we are already going to start with our project. By the way, this will be automatically be saved in your file. Later, I will show you where your files are being saved. So here are the tools which we are going to use for our presentation. So we have templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, music, videos, and background. So most of the time, I start my presentation by putting my background. So I'm just going to click this tools, and then there's a lot of backgrounds which you could choose from here. Now, if you put your mouse over the background or elements or music, you will see that there is free. This is an indication that you can freely use these elements for your project. But if it indicates pro, I suggest don't choose that because later on when you download, you are going to pay for a certain amount. So just go ahead and choose the background that you would like to use for your project. So I will be choosing this. Okay, so automatically it will be pasted to your blank template. Next, we are going to put text in our project. So again, go to the left side of the screen, click text, and you will see here different font styles and font style combinations which you could choose from. So I'll be choosing this, and then on your mouse, right click, and then click ungroup so that you can easily edit or resize or move these two font styles that I have chosen. So I'll be editing this. We are doing, then I'll just, you can resize this by pulling the dots on the corner or the line on the side. Then I'll edit the second font style. Now on here on top, you can change the font style. If you're not happy with the with what you have chosen, you can still change the font styles, and then you can resize the fonts which you have chosen. Let's say I'm going to make this bigger, so I'll change the size and make it 150. Okay. And then I'm just going to pull the sides, then pull it up. Then I will resize this also, highlight it, and then type the size. And just pull the side or the corner. There. And done. If you're happy with it, let's go to the next. So go to the left side of the screen again. This time we are going to include elements, different elements in our design. So click on the icon elements. So here you will see different elements like featured, coronavirus elements, grids, shapes, frames, different stickers, charts, gradients, and many more. So first I'll be putting gradients to my design. So I'll choose mm, this one. So if you notice that the gradient that I have chosen covered parts of the text. So I can just right click on this using my mouse, click right click, and then send to back. So that the gradient will be placed at the back of the text. And then again, same with the text, I can just pull the corners so that I can resize the gradient that I have placed. Okay, there. Now let's say I'm going to put another element. So I'll click on the icon elements again. And this time I am going to put stickers. So first I would like shape stickers on my project. So I'll be choosing a shape sticker from here. Hmm. Okay, so I'll be choosing this. So just, if you have chosen already, just go ahead and click it. And then same thing with the gradient and the text. You may pull the shape on the dots on the corner so that you can resize it. Okay, there. Now, let's say, go back to sticker again. Let's say I would like to put smileys on my project. By the way, you may also put search here elements which you would like to include. Let's say I'm going to search smileys. So there are different smileys which will be appearing here, but these are all still pictures. I want something which is moving. So just be a little patient in choosing the stickers that you would like to put in your project. There, so I'll be choosing this. And then I'll resize it. Then pull it on the corner. So if you're already happy with your project, you can animate the whole thing by clicking the background, and then you will see the word animate here on the upper left corner. Just click that, and then you will um, see here different kinds of animation. So if you click on it, you will see the preview of the whole project. So I'll be choosing stump there. Now, what if you would like to put another page on your project? So you just simply click add a new page here below to add a new page. So you can see here page 2. Now we are going to work on our second page, but this time we are going to use the built-in templates here. So here in the tools, you can see here the icon templates. Just click on that. If you don't like to do what we did earlier with the page 1 wherein we put different elements one at a time, there are already built-in presentations here. So I'll be choosing one from the many built-in templates which are available here. I'll click this. So if you notice, when I click this file or this template, it has already a lot of pages in it. But for the second page of my project, I'll just be clicking on one page from this built-in template. So there. So you can still personalize this. You can change the font style. You may remove this if you don't want this images here. You can replace it with something else. So let's say I'll be editing this part. Okay, I'm going to change the font style. Say this one. Okay, and then I'm going to resize it. And then if you will see, this part here, the upper part of the text, is too close to the words do it. So I can adjust the spacing between these two lines by clicking this one, spacing, so line height. If you are, if you would like to put other elements here on the second page, let's say you want something which is moving here, so you can go back again to icons elements, and then choose from these different elements which are available here, or again you can search for some images that you would like. Okay, so I'll be putting this sticker. Yeah, there. Now you can add another page here by again clicking add a new page. This time we are going to put photos and videos in the third page. So go to the tools here and click photos and choose from the photos which are available here. Let's say this one. So again, you can resize this, you can crop it, you can put elements. Okay, so I'll just be putting this one here, and then I'll be adding video. So let's say this one. So if you're going to add video, you can adjust it, adjust the size of it, or you can also crop it. Let's say you only want to show this part here. Just click here, done. Okay, there. Now, what if you would like to put your own picture which is saved in your drive or in your desktop? So simply click here, uploads, and then upload an image. So let us say I'll choose this one. This is an image which is already in my file, in my folder. So it will appear here, and then just click on that. And then just pull it to the place in your template where you would like to put it. And then let's say you would like to put background music while your presentation is working. So here again, from the tools on the left side, click music, and then choose from the music that are available here. I'll be clicking this. So if you notice, when I click this one, it appeared here. So once it appeared here, that means it's already embedded in your presentation. If you click on that one, okay, if you see this colored part here, you can actually choose part of the song which you would like to hear. Okay. So let's say this part. Okay, that is automatically saved in your project. Now let's say you are already happy with your presentation. Now this time we are going to download the whole file. So here on the upper right side, you will see the download button here. You may download that as PNG or JPEG or PDF or video. So we will, for this project, for this tutorial, we will be downloading this as video. So download. So this will take a while, and then this will automatically go to your download folders in your desktop, in your computer. So let us just wait for it to finish. So downloading is done. So now we will check our video. So I'll open my downloads folder, and it's here. Just remember that the file name of your video is the title of the project. So here, the title of the project is Canva tutorial. So when you look it up in the downloads folder, look for Canva tutorial also. So there. That's our finished product. This is our finished output. So what if it's not in the downloads folder? So just search the file so that you can open it, so that you can open your output. Okay, so let's go back to our project. So earlier I told you that all of your projects are being saved in your account. So where exactly are the projects being saved? So I'll close this. Let's open Canva again. So again, this is your interface, and all your designs, all your projects are being saved here in the all your designs. So everything is there. So you can just go back to your old projects, your the projects that you have done previously, and then you may open it and you may edit it again if you would like. There. So I hope that you have learned something from me, and I hope that you will apply them. Thank you once again for watching my video.